Welcome back to my channel after a long time. I'm in IKEA. Sorry, IKEA. I'm always talking in German. This is the lunch in IKEA. It's good. And I came here to check some sofa and some bedding. I'm just looking around the colors and everything. So let's see what all they have now. Just love the color of the wall. I just love this the most because I love dark green. It's kind of welcoming and soothing color, and the walk-in wardrobes. A small walk-in wardrobe is cute and simple, which I love the most here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's too hot. It's like 30 degrees today in Zurich, so let's have some watermelon. It's good. Sometimes I don't get the best watermelon, but today is sweet one, and I love it. I'm just having a lot of watermelon like every day. Yeah. So this is my I'm having like a lunch. Okay, now let's move on to my shopping, what I bought from IKEA. We say in German IKEA, and it's called IKEA in English. Yes, I went to check something and I bought something else because I didn't find anything good, so I bought some small things from IKEA. Okay, I just bought a few for the kitchen cabinet. I just want to put some, sheets, the plastic sheets to cover the cabinet. This one I had before, now I have to change. It's been 2 years, so I bought 4 of this, and I bought this. This one is really good. I bought like 2 years back, so I need to change again. Like 7 Swiss franc I bought it, so I can put all the spoons and everything in my cupboard. I can fit. I bought last time like 2 years back the same thing, so I need to change. And this one I bought also to try up the spoons and all. This looks cute. I wanted to buy a sofa, but I didn't find any great sofa, and I ended up buying this. And this one I bought for, as you know, sugar to put on the cakes and all. So I will be using something else also for using flour. And I got a small cute pan. Just for seasoning, I need sometime a small pan, so I got it. This was only 7 franc or something. Yeah, it's very cheap. And this LED bulb. Like that, I went to buy something else and I ended up buying something small thing. So this I spent around. Oh yeah, I also bought 2 cute soft toys. Yeah, I bought 2 soft toys. A cute cat, yes, a small cute cat, and one small panda I bought. Yes, I just bought like that. One more package came, so I have to check what is inside this. I bought something which is like very easy to build, and I don't want to buy anything new, so I was just thinking I can use and throw this later, so it's easy, and I'm shifting. So I bought a very like kind of shelf to keep all my bags, yes, to organize everything. So let's see how I can do this. I'm gonna check it, how is it, and I'm gonna buy one more if it is good. Yeah, this I tried. I'm gonna use this one. This one is the old one, so I'm gonna change with my new. Let's open the other packages, which I got it like a long time back. I forgot to unbox, so let's do the unboxing. This one is too hot here now because of the summer, so I got this fan. Let's see. Ooh, it's good. It's really good. I need this really. It's too hot. Wow, this is really cool. So I'm gonna use this for my entire video. Oh god. And this one I bought for while cutting a hair, just to cover the face so that hair doesn't fall on the face. I bought this for my friends and all. Oh, this one is for the GoPro. I bought it a long time back. I probably didn't use this for underwater protection. Actually, GoPro doesn't need anything. But anyway, I hardly use GoPro, so it's a waste of money to buy a lot of stuff. This I bought long time. I bought completely. These are the honey hand cream. This also I bought long time. The cream is very good. I used already one before. There's two left. Let's put this charger, bang, and yeah, I bought a phone cover. I bought this long time back, almost. All this bought like 6 months back, I think 6 months old. Some of them are almost 2 years back. So I'm not using because I'm used to with this cover, which I can carry all my cards and all together like an old fashioned. But I love that because I can put my mobile inside and I can shoot the way I'm doing now. So I got 2 different phone cover, which is one is blue and one is silver. Yes, I need to change once. Wow, this is really good. Oh my god, just love it. I love it. I don't know what I thought. Oh, this is to cover the wire. Yes, this is for the wire. It doesn't mix all the wire. It's separate. You can put all the telephone charger here, and you can stick on it so that it doesn't mix up all together. This is very cool. I'm gonna use later. So I'm gonna put, maybe I will use it later. Yes. These are the lenses for it's all up for the lenses. Oh, already gone. I need to charge this because it's new, so I didn't charge, so it's already cut off. So I'm gonna charge this. Yes. Telephone and everything. This is a mobile. Yeah. Mobile, my GoPro camera, I think, yes. To protect my glass. Screen protector, yes. for mobile and GoPro now. Okay, I bought also. I was thinking of buying. I already have a sunscreen. I have a Beauty of Jason sunscreen already, one. And this collagen whitening cream. I already have. I don't have to buy. So I'm gonna throw on this. Oh, already have a mobile screen camera later. I already have. I don't buy new. Already have. I'm gonna change it. So let's put all this together. I'm gonna throw. Okay. Oh, this one is another package which came also like few months back. The hairband, I love it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, I'm going. I'll use this. Why not use when I bought already? This one is cute because I can put water. I can put water inside this and put on the plants. So it will drip. First fill the water here and put inside the plant. Very cool. I'm going to use on my money plant. A long money plant. Okay, I bought this for my shoes. Inside shoes. This is really cool because this will protect my heel. This has a little sponge here. So this is for summer. And this has a little protection here, both the sides. So this is really good. This I bought a body scrub. This scrubs is really good. I love this. So I bought 5 packets of it. This scrubs very, very good. This is the perfect body scrub for your body. It's really good. I bought 5 pieces. I have one more of this. I need to put this because I bought 3 of this. I didn't know. Yeah, fitness stuff for pull-up. Just need because when I'm doing a pull-up on the rod, you just have to put this like this. So that you don't get slip from the rod, you know. It's like protection. It's really good. About both hands. Let's put this inside. I bought this for my eyebrow. It has a 3 different color. Dark brown, and the very dark brown. So let's see. Okay, I will use it later. It's cool. Okay, this one is like an ice bag. When you have a paint, you just put water inside it. And you can put it on your... Oh, this is so small. Ice bag, like you can, put everywhere. Like got hurt somewhere, I don't know. Just a little bit paining. Let me put this ice on it. So let me put this fill water and I put it in the freezer. Fill the water, I'm gonna put it in the freezer now. I'm gonna use it. This one I got. One is hair towel, yes. Need to wash it. And this one, check what I got. This one is for, threading. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not. Let me check. How it's gonna work, I don't know. Oh, bottom looks going to break. Okay, like this. Nah, it's not going to work. It's just waste of. Don't buy it. It's not going to work. I'm sure how it's gonna remove. This is not so. I was thinking it's gonna work. Waste of money, really. What is this? Yeah, I thought I can use for my eyebrows. No, it's not going to work. It's not working, really. I thought it's not working, but it's working because it's pulling my hair. It's working on my upper lip, really. It's working, really. I thought it's not working. When you do this, it's working. It's working on my upper lip, really. This is really working, but I don't think so. In eyebrows it will work. Eyebrows not gonna work. Upper lip's gonna work, really. Oh, it's not waste of money. I can use it on my upper lip. Yes, it's a head massage. For my hair, when I'm washing my hair, I want to massage on my scalp so that all the dirt from the scalp will go away. Wow, this is really good. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. This I really need for a long time. Got this for my pull-up things to protect my hand. I can stand on this and I can do pull-up. I'll show you later how I'm gonna use this. And this I got from my cousin. It's a bag. So this was also here. I don't know what I did. I put just like that, I think. Yeah, it's a cute bag, small one. I don't know which brand is this. Atleta. I don't know. Oh yeah. I love this bag. I'm obsessed with this. So comfortable. After buying this bag, I have a black one I bought from Uniqlo like 3 years back in Paris, and I love this. Is so much. It fits in this small bag. It goes a lot of stuff inside. and I thought I have to buy 2 different colors because I'm always carrying a black one all the time because it's so comfortable. I don't like using other. I have so many bags at home and I still use this one. So that's why I bought 2 of this, 1 of this kind of grayish color, 1 cream. The bag I already have, so I'm using all the time. So I love this too. I love this bag. After using, I don't like any other bag. And I don't know why I bought this really. I bought something and it came something else. This is for microwave. It's I bought for oven sheet. I wanted to buy an oven sheet and I bought some microwave stuff without looking it properly. I bought it by mistake. It was not very expensive, so yeah. And I have a beach wear which is so sexy. I'm gonna use when I'm going to the beach or something. So I will be using a costume and I will be just so transparent, but this I bought for my perfume. Yes, I have a different kind of perfume. I can put all my perfume in a small bottle and carry with me while I'm going out. So some of them I want to give to my sister and all. I already gifted to my niece and my sister one. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave 1 to niece and 1 to my sister. So 1 more I'm going to give to the sister. So this is very cool to carry in the back. What is this? Okay. Oh my god, what I bought this? I don't know why I bought this. Okay, what is this? Maybe this one is for a chin. I was having a little bit lately. I'm having a double chin. Yes. I'm getting a double chin because I'm putting on. I put on weight and I got a double chin, so I think this one I have to carry like. I don't know how do I use this. Yeah, I think so. Maybe this one is like this. I think maybe like this. Let me check. I don't know. Bueno, this is like this. This is for mouth. This is for ear, like this, I think. So funny what all they have. I just wanted to try, you know, because I'm getting a double chin here, so I want to get rid of my double chin. I was thinking I can use this. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but maybe I have to sleep with this. I think so. This is like, I've seen something else with the machine which vibrate. So this one is I don't know. Let's use this in the night and check whether it's really helps or not. I'll try this dress. This is actually on top of the beach wear on the swimming costume, but I just tried it's whether it fits or not, so it's good. But I'm gonna try this because I got hit somewhere. I don't remember where I hit it. So which I bought. This is really cool. It's good. And it's too transparent, but I bought it. But it's good for beach wear, yes. I also bought eye massage for my eyes because I do watch a lot of, I need to use a lot of computer. Okay, for my eyes, so let's start this and check.
Welcome to use Intelligent Eye Massager Integrated Mode.
Ooh, it has a music. Wow, it gets kind of steaming, warm and vibration. It's cool.
Beautiful pupil mode.
Beautiful people mode. Wow, I can change the music with the Bluetooth. I can.
Vitality mode. Low intensity. Medium intensity. High intensity.
Okay.
Low intensity.
Some different kind of intensity.
Sleep mode.
Sleep mode, yeah. Yes, good.
Integrated mode. Beautiful pupil. Vitality mode. Sleeping mode.
Sleeping mode. It's better. Sleeping mode is better. No music. So let's off this.
Thank you for using. Goodbye.
And yes, this one for my stomach pain during period. So this also has high intensity and low intensity, a different kind of. So I can use the different timing in it. So for a 60 minutes or something like that. This has a vibration heat. This is with the vibration and heat. It's really good. I can change the timing. Different kind of vibrations. I can make for 60 minutes. Wow, this is really cool. I'm using this for a long time in MOMOS, yeah. As you can hear. Ooh, it's warm up a lot. So maybe let me off this. Just off this. I don't need it. It's really hot. Okay. Because I just bought shopping bag. Put inside my bag. Whenever I go for shopping, I need some extra bags, so I don't have to buy all the time bags. So this one is very cute. That I can put inside my small bag. Inside my small bag. So whenever I'm going for shopping, I can use this. This color, I love it. I bought this also. Okay, this one is a laundry bag because I have two different kinds of laundry bag, which is white for white clothes and color clothes, black I don't have, so I bought this. Oh. Ah, this is kind of small, but it's okay for my. Okay. This like for a small child. It's so small. Oh my god. Anyway, this is like for a baby, I think. What is this? What I bought? Ah, yeah, I bought purse a long time back. Wallet. I have a very good wallet. No, it got spoiled because I spilled water in my bag. Now I stopped carrying bags. So this is the wallet I got. I don't have any black, so I thought I will use it. And the other one gets spoiled again. I'm not buying expensive purse anymore because I always get spoiled by water and everything. So this one is another earring I bought. It's so cute. I love the color. Let's try the. How is it? How is it? With my hairband and everything. Which one is better? This one or this one? Okay, that's all for today. Shopping and everything I will wear anyway in my blog later. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like this video because I love watching unboxing, shopping video, so I just put it away. It's not very interesting, but I love buying some small things for myself once in a while. So that's all, and I hope you all are happy and take care of yourself, eat healthy and stay healthy, and do what you like doing and enjoy your life. See you, bye bye, take care. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and the like button. See you in my next vlog, and check my other video linked here on top and bottom.